Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can make money daily with ByBit trading bot. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. So for that, you simply have to make sure that you follow the steps carefully, and the first would be simply for you to install the ByBit app on your phone. Once you have done that successfully, go ahead, open it up and get logged in as well. Now first, make sure you have verified yourself. Once you have verified yourself, then only you will be able to purchase many of the bitcoins that you would like to add it to your account, so that if you are verified, or the seller will simply trust you. Now once you have done that, completed, you're going to come over here at the market section. You're going to check it out at this spot trading, the available and the value of it with the percentages, and give the data and the leaderboard for you to simply show how is it going and what is up. Once you have grasped the situation of it, and then you're going to simply start trading, aka buying and selling the bitcoin that you will purchase. Now the red numbers on the right side, you will find those are simply the selling price, and at the bottom is the simply buying price will be in the green, and in the between, in the middle, you will have one price which is simply the spot value. So make sure you understand the spot value of every bitcoin that you're going to purchase and buy. Once you have got the understanding, make sure to purchase and sell them. That's how you will simply collect money, and that is it. So, and you can also choose to stake them, so in the daily basis you will be able to earn some percentage. So I hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in our next video.